Look at the booty on him. It says stay 3 meters away. I'm not sure how much 3 meters is. I'm an American, but it's crazy how close you can get though. This one. But this guy staring at me from behind. I don't know. Yo, these monkeys just almost took my legs out. Literally scrapping across the walk path. Boat crash, boat crash. Boat crash. All right, we're almost at the monkey park. We got like a 6-minute walk, but man, I missed the stop. So now I gotta walk. And before that, I got on the wrong bus. But it wasn't even my fault. I swear it was Google Maps' fault. Like, Google Maps took me to the wrong bus stop. And then I was waiting there. It said hop on the 28, but the 28 never came. It came like 5 minutes before it said it was supposed to come, actually. So I was like, oh no, this ain't the right 28, because it's way too early. And then another 28 came, and I was like, okay, this must be it, but nope, it was a different 28. So I ended up going to some random temple. But I was like, nah, I don't really want to do a temple. I want to go see the monkeys. So then I hopped on this other bus to the monkeys. And yeah, I missed my stop. That was on me, but the first one was definitely Google Maps' fault. So I basically was sitting for like a good 30 minutes just waiting for the bus. Like, I don't know, the maps were glitching. It was not telling me the right bus, and it was crazy. But let me peep the GPS real quick and see where the heck I'm going from here. Man, these monkeys better be worth it, bro. They better like attack someone or something. I want to see something cool. Hey, at least it's a pretty walk. I ain't even mad. It's just unfortunate I wasted like 30 minutes. But I'll still be able to squeeze everything in. Shouldn't really be an issue. We're gonna go see the monkeys, so it's gonna be really cool. I saw some pictures, and if it's anything like the pictures, then it's definitely gonna be worth it. Which is crazy, because usually the pictures don't do it justice. But I guess a picture can do a monkey justice. Normally it doesn't do a mountain justice. Just keep walking, just keep walking, just keep walking, 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 walk, walk. At least it's not frigid. It's still pretty chilly, but my fingertips are okay. Okay, I made it to the monkey park. Got my ticket. But man, it's like a 20-minute hike straight up. I'm feeling it. Okay, so that sign just said there's about 200 species of monkeys on Earth, but only one kind inhabits Japan. So maybe these are the only species natural to here. Still walking. In case you were wondering. Still walking. Gotta be close though. I think it's just up there. Yo, I finally made it. Look. Monkey. Finally here, baby. They said don't look into their eyes. Oh wow, bro. That's crazy. Look at the booty on him. Wow. It says stay 3 meters away. I'm not sure how much 3 meters is. I'm an American, but that's like 9 feet, I think. It's crazy how close you can get though. Wow. Wow. He's chilling, he's just vibing.
Di non puntare la videocamera direttamente.
They got thick coats, which they definitely needed in this cold. They're like some Arctic monkeys. Coats look nice. Oh wow, look at this one. That's crazy. crazy. I feel like I'm in a zoo, but this is just nature. Wow. And then the view is insane. Look at that view. Wow. What you snacking on, little guy?
Those two keep attacking each other. Oh, it's got She tried to. Up there before was bouncing on the trees. As that one goes. That one's really angry. That one is super angry. They got super
Oh my gosh, that I made a real baby right here.
Mama, it's your phone. Mama.
Alright, well that was really cool. Saw some monkeys fight, saw a lot of cool stuff, great views, but this guy is staring at me from behind. I don't know if y'all can see him. Yeah, time to head back to Kyoto now. I stayed here for a good minute, soaked it all in. But yeah, I gotta go get my bag from that last hotel and then head to Hiroshima, which could probably take like 2-3 hours in total maybe. So yeah, I wanna try to get to Hiroshima before sundown. Yeah, that'll be its whole own adventure once I get there. It's gonna be fun. Yo, these monkeys just almost took my legs out, literally scrapping across the walk path. They calm now, but that was insane. That was insane, literally right by my feet. They just like slid right down there. Wow. Boat crash, boat crash, boat crash. Looks like they got tangled up. Interesting day. We've seen monkey fights and then a little boat crash. Oh wow, man, this thing goes deep. Look all the way down there. I'm on triple zoom right now. You can go around that corner too, it looks like. Wow. Really cool.